Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI. Are you tired of your dinnerware set chipping or breaking? If so, I feel you. I've went through 2 dinnerware sets until we discovered Corelle. This stuff is the best dinnerware set I've ever owned. So Corelle is really unique because it's made with a special glass called Vitrelle, and it's known for its durability and how lightweight it is. And I can attest it's everything it claims to be. We have had this set for a while. Not a single chip, not a single break. It still looks as good as the day we bought it. And let me tell you, these dishes have been through the ringer. They've been dropped in the sink, they've been dropped on the floor. They don't look good because we've been careful with them, let me assure you. I really like the design of this set. They're white and square, very simple, very easy to dress them up for a dinner party, but basic enough for everyday use. So if you want something that's durable and elegant, you guys pick them up. I promise you, you will never ever want another brand of dinnerware set again. And that's my point of view.